Hello everyone. Today I am trying to repair a bigger Walkman. I am fed up with the Slim series from Sony, so today I want to relax my eyes and my hands and I'm trying to repair some larger Sony Walkman. This model is WM-FX491. As far as I know, the problem of this Walkman is that the motor doesn't spin the tape. It is working on the radio. At least this is what I was informed from its owner. It's not mine. So let's insert the batteries. I guess I have to, okay. As I told you, using so many Slim series with the gum type battery, I forgot how to use the AA batteries. Okay, I'm seeing that the display is on, so probably the radio will work. Yes, it is working. Okay. Yes, and the tape must be, I guess, from here. Okay, let's stop it. Let's insert it. Oops, now I've seen that there is something missing from here. The transparent window from the cassette cover is missing, but there is no problem. It won't affect the functioning, if it is functioning. Okay, let me insert my crash test dummy tape cassette, and I guess this is the play button. I have just heard the beep. This is a sign that the play mode has been engaged, but yes, and now this is the automatic stop. I guess let me check the sound of it. Yes, I can hear the motor, but it is working on idle, so I am very sure that the rubber belt is melted. Okay, let's open it up. It is the first time I am opening this model, and there are so many Walkmans, so many Sony Walkmans on the market. They manufactured a lot of different models, so I'm trying to see that the blocking tabs, yes, these are the blocking plastic tabs. Okay, I'm looking for some screws. Yes, there are screws also. Okay, let's find the other screw. He's here. And trying to keep the Walkman into a good position so you will observe eventually something, but I guess it is not very difficult to unscrew two regular screws. Okay, let me check if there are some other screws. I guess now it's the time for the plastic tabs. Let me take out the batteries too. I wonder if I can push the blocking tabs through this window. I guess the service technicians from Sony have some dedicated tool maybe, or maybe some tape with something to push all the 3 tabs at once. I guess, I don't know, but I don't think they are struggling with the screwdriver to open the shell. Okay.
15 minutes later.
I was going to say that I succeeded, but by mistake I closed it back. So I have to start from here with prying. Why from here? Because here is one of the 2 screws. So this must be the point where the shell has to be opened. Okay, now I'm pressing with this plastic tool. Okay, it's starting to open. Now I will try to press the locking tabs, and in the same time I'm trying to push with my fingers in the battery compartment, to push and to help these locking tabs. Yes, that's okay. You may see that one of them has disappeared inside, so this is a good thing. I'm not forcing yet too much. Okay, yes, it is okay. Oh, I hate these rubber buttons. I don't know how to repair these. I know that in time the conductive substance from on these buttons is losing its conductivity properties, so the buttons sometimes are affected and they are not executing the push functions. So I hope this is in a good shape. Okay, what do we have here? The PCB is blocked with these plastic tabs. So yes, it's pretty simple. Here we have a ribbon here. I guess this ribbon has to be unlocked first. So the unlocking is done by erasing this brownish part, and now just extract the ribbon. Okay, this is ready. We also have the motor wires. For the moment we can leave them as they are because they are long enough so we can flip the board. Yes, we don't have any other screw. Okay, this is no screw era, and they optimized the manufacturing costs, I guess, by putting just a few screws for all the Walkman. Oh, this here is another interesting part, and as I could see, there is a hole, so you can adjust the speed of the motor through this hole. Okay, this is a good thing. You don't have to disassemble everything, so you can adjust the speed. this is a very good thing. Okay, there is something that is holding. Oh yes. Okay, we have one screw here. Now we have the plus connector, and this will be all. Oh yes, look at the rubber belt. It is not melted, it is but this is a very good thing. I can see what is the size of this belt. It jumped off from the gears, from the pulleys, because it is very soft and is not is very large. So yes, it is not good anymore. Okay, this is going to be a pretty easy job because I have to replace the belt, and I guess there aren't other issues I can see for the moment. I wonder what would be best. Let me try this one first. But how it was? Well, it cannot be otherwise than like this. Yes, it looks nice. Let me inspect the alignment. It is better that the rubber belt is not twisted, because the twist might affect the proper spinning of the flywheels in general. Okay, let's assemble it back. I wonder if I have to grease something here. Okay. Okay, let's try to play back the tape first. And after that, maybe I will try to put some oil or grease here and there. Okay, this is okay. Now I will insert the ribbon from the tape head. Yes, I guess it is pretty well. I wonder if these batteries will stay in place. Hopefully, yes, they are staying in place, but I want to keep them with my hand. Okay. Let me insert the external speaker. Oops. I could use something else instead of batteries. Okay, this is minus, this is plus. We don't have anything, we don't have any reading. Oh, I forgot. I am not using the slim line, the slim Sony line anymore, so I have to adjust it to 3 volts. Okay, now it's okay. Yes. We have the tape inside. Let me check the buttons. Okay, the playback is this one. I hope I will push the right contact. Yes, this one. Yes, we have play. Oh. The sound is not very good. Maybe the door wasn't closed. Okay, let me try again. In fact, let me try fast forward and rewind. Yes, I'm hearing the appropriate sound. Okay, where's the stop button? The stop button is here. Yes, this is rewinding. Yes, the rewinding is doing well. And now let's push the... Yes, the playback is working. Yes. Well, victory. So it is a faster victory than with the Slim series. Okay, yes. So Dire Straits. I'm hearing Dire Straits once again. I have to check. Well, I will check the other functions using the buttons, or maybe not. So this is Mega Bass. Yes. And okay, I guess it is I guess those functions are working. So let me check if the mechanism is doing its job. So now it's fast forwarding. I guess it's searching, it's seeking the next song. Well, I guess this model doesn't have searching on the tape. Okay, let me try once again. So find the previous song. Okay, let's put in playback and let's try in reverse playback. Okay, yes, pretty good. Yes, I guess is this model having Dolby button? Maybe. I guess the trebles aren't present. No button here, no button. Okay, I guess this one doesn't have Dolby. I have forgot about this button. Okay. I wonder what is this doing. So this is metal. This is tape selector. Okay, this is, I don't know what is this. Let me enable. This is AVL, I guess, auto volume or something. Okay, so yes, no Dolby on this model. Okay, and this must be something about the radio, maybe mono or local. Yes, it's mono. Okay, let me take my phone and to try the speed and to check the wow and flutter percent. Where's the stop button? Yes, this is the stop. Okay. I have inserted the reference tone tape cassette inside the Walkman, so I am prepared to make the wow and flutter test. Let me find something to push the play. Oh, the beep is pretty loud. Oops, something is not right. I hope that my reference tape is okay. I guess I have to replicate this tape, at least for initial tests. No, something is not right. Oh, it reached the end. Okay, so I have to press. So it is playback. Okay. I will fast forward. No, not this one. Okay. My bad. So this is fast forward. This beep is really loud. I will set it to lower volume, my external speaker. Okay, let's push play. Well, the speed is not right, but the volume flutter is pretty high. So I have to adjust the speed to be 3150, or at least somewhere in that area. Okay, this is okay, but we have a very hard deviation. So peak to peak is about 1.5, even 2%, so it's pretty bad. It's not very good. Let's see on the others, on the reverse play. So on the reverse playback, the speed is pretty much the same. Yes, it is the same in fact, and we have the same volume flutter. Well, I will try to lubricate here and there, and I will be back to make another round of tests. I had a quick inspection of the mechanism, and it seems to be lubricated in various parts. So here we have some white grease. Here this part is sliding properly, and there is some oil underneath. I disassembled the clutch to see what is underneath, because the clutch usually is causing different friction problem, different speed, because the friction is not very even. I don't see anything wrong with this clutch, so it is a simple clutch. This gear has some felt on this, some cloth material, and after that we have this black gear that goes like this. So you have to center the cloth underneath to follow the edge of this black wheel, and after that you have to push this spring. So the idea is that this spring will sit on the bottom of this wheel, this black wheel, and after that the top of the spring has to lock in place on the white plastic post. Okay, this part is going like this. I applied some lubrication, well, not very much. I applied here on this gear wheel and a little bit here, but mostly here on the capstans, here and here. I dripped some oil here and here, and I let it for about 30 minutes to go down to the bearing and not to spill over the capstan and to affect the tape transport. I hope these are moving better than before, but I can't say anything until I will make a test. Anyway, I don't expect too much performance from these mechanisms, as they have these plastic flywheels that don't have any moving inertia, so the WM flutter can be very good, I guess. This is a cheap model from Sony, so I don't have much expectations. Okay, let's take care of this ribbon. You have to pay attention to this, to the lever that is moving the micro switch, so it is in its place. Okay. I have a small screwdriver that it is holding in place the PCB. Okay, so this must be like this. Okay. Now I have to insert the ribbon. Okay, I pushed back the plastic lock for this connector. So I guess I'm ready for a test. I want to be sure that there is no spilled oil on the capstans. I'm using some paper towel to wipe any potential oil. Okay, now I want to put in playback with the test tape, not with the reference tape. So I will be, because I want to be sure that the playback is doing the right job. I don't want to ruin the reference tape. Okay. Put the lab power source and let's actuate the playback. Oh, I guess it's too loud. Oops, big mistake. I forgot to mount the... Where is the stop button? No, this one. I forgot to mount the rubber belt. Okay. Fortunately, I don't have to remove or to unsolder. Okay, let's power it once again. Yes, everything is in place. Okay, let's press the play button. Anything? Any sound? Did I forget something? Of course, I'm very distracted this evening. Of course, I have forgot something. See, don't do the same mistakes as I'm doing. Sincerely, I am rather in a hurry. I want to finish with this this evening, and I didn't check all the cables, all the things. Okay. Yes, now it is okay. Okay, let's put in playback. Yes, it is working. Let's stop it. This beep is really loud. I want to put back the small screw immediately as I will find it. Okay, let's screw this screw. Yes, everything is in place. So I'll keep the power. I'll change the cassette. Something is wrong, I guess. I'm wondering why it's not powering up. No, not this one, not this one, not this one. Stop, 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 stop. Okay, let me open my smartphone. Now I can see both, and let's put it into playback. Okay, we have playback. Well, I don't know what to say. Let me put, now it's in reverse, let me put in forward. Okay, now it spins. Well, I can see that the speed is higher, so the lubrication did something. Let me adjust it once again. More. Oh, too much. Okay, now, no. Well, the average speed, I guess now it is okay. Or maybe we have to set it less. Okay, I am pretty happy with the average speed value, and I'm seeing that the peak-to-peak deviation is not touching the 2% like before. Now I put it into reverse playback. So in reverse playback we have pretty much the same numbers. Okay. Well, I guess this must be the best that this Walkman can do. Maybe it could do in 90s, in the late 90s, I guess. It's from that era. It could do better back then in those times. But this is a good percent for listening to music. Let me put my speaker. Yes, I put my external speaker near the microphone of the smartphone. So this is reverse playback. Let's change it to forward playback. Yes, I'm happy with the results. Okay, let's stop it for a while, and I want to put it back with the shell, the plastic shell, and hopefully it will work in the same conditions. I don't see why wouldn't work. So let's extract the tape. Now let's check the wires. So we have the wires, we have this one. We don't have problems with the volume potentiometer. So let's put the cover, the front cover. Okay, so everything is with the snapping tabs, plastic tabs. So let me check once again that these cables, these wires are in the proper place, because I don't want to struggle once again to open it up. I want to do it properly from the first time. Okay. Have to close it. Yes. You can hear the clicks. So everything is okay here inside. I'm wondering how to make a better focus here, but you have to take care to these plastic tabs. They have to jump out when you close the plastic shells. Okay, I will put the screws back. One screw, the second screw, Oops, I wonder if I did a mistake by not inserting the battery cover while the shell was open. I'm wondering that I can put it back. Let me try with this part first, and no, it's okay. I succeeded. Okay, let's put some batteries because I want to check that the contact for batteries is okay. So we have to insert like this one, in this way. Okay, the cover. Let's insert a test tape. I want to insert the WM flutter tape for the moment. I don't need it. Once again, the radio. So the radio will start from here. Okay, kind of working. It's not tuned on the. It is not tuned on the right radio station. Okay, it is working. Now the tape. Okay, Mr. Mark Knopfler again. Yes, it's okay. I'm declaring this one as a succeeded job for replacing. Oops, what have I pressed? Yes, this button is very sensitive, but it is okay. Better to be sensitive than to be very hard to press and very hardly responsive. So in reverse, yes, it is working. Okay, job. I succeeded in repairing this Walkman. I have to admit that it wasn't too broken. I had to just to replace the rubber belt. But sometimes easier to repair Walkmans are welcomed after days of struggling with the Slim series from Sony. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching.